Sorry, Adventures of Tangled. Thought I was reading to my girls. Nice little library here. Take a book, leave a book. Anyways, Ryan Schulze, Oregon Outdoor Lighting. I got Jeff in the back with me, and we did a project that the landscaper originally did it, and we did a complete overhaul. So this is gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna walk you through the things we did different. Come take a look. For the front entry, originally they had just lights kind of flooding the fence area all along here. So what I did is completely remove it and uplit the pillars all the way across. I really wanted to stretch out the entry to this property. So we did the trees and we did the pillars. So Jeff's gonna show you a sweep before and we'll give you the after, baby. And look at that. So also on the entry, usually you just light the pillars from the front. So here I actually wanted to light from the front, but I also want to show from the side. I want to show that entry point when you're coming in. So if you're driving up or backing out, you actually see the side of the pillar as well. So that's what we did. The flush gives you that, you know, more dominant presence and highlights the whole pillar as well. So that's what we did there. All right, so now coming into the front entry of the home, I really want to bring out the white, the peaks, the pillars, the garage. So that's what we did. And once again, well, I'm gonna have to show you that before and after when you come in here and how cool that effect is. So Jeff, roll it for me, baby. All right, so obviously major trees, and we uplit from the ground, obviously all the way from the left side to the right, and then came into the major pillars. And then the major pillars, one of my favorites. Follow me this way. We did the mini well light, flush, right there to show the pillar. So this is existing. You know, most people think like we do these during new construction. No, this existed. So we actually core drilled in here and then, you know, cut out the grout line and put our fixture in. That's how we do that. Then we continued. I didn't want to show just the front entry pillars. I actually showed all the pillars, you know, in this little front courtyard area. So this helps really bring out the features, you know, when you're coming in. So obviously we lit the ground level up with lights flush for the pillars, but I can't just have the house be bottom heavy. So I had to do that next level up. So we actually put the lights in the gutters to hit that second level. So when you see that before and after shot, you can see why we did that second level, or else it would have been dark. All right, so the other feature that we wanted to help bring out was the sweet putting green. And they had a few lights back here. So what we did is I used spots and washers to highlight the full perimeter of the putting green area with, you know, the rocks and the shrubs and the maples, but because I really want to give you that glow effect, so when you're sitting here doing your little chip putts, it helps give a glow in that area. Until next time, just send him home, baby. Oh, I thought that was gonna turn. Dang it. Are you too good for your home ball? Please go home. See you next time.